Hi guys, we had to cut the video last time because we decided that we need to add more flour because it was a bit runny. So we're back now, let's do the second pancake. And then we're going to show you how to decorate them. You can decorate them the way you want to, but we're going to show you the way that we do it. Nice circle in the middle. Now I'm not going to tell you what I told you the last time. You just need to let the bubbles come up, let them pop, and that's it. Now I'm going to go put this milk and stuff away. And guys, I'm doing this at my grand's house, so if anyone's wondering where I am, I'm in my grand's kitchen. Well, that is cooking, we can get the cream out.
Did you not use up all the cream last night, Brandon?
Oh,
with the scones that you made?
My brother done that, I didn't do it, I got barely any cream. Butter.
Butter. And jam, if you want it, or honey.
Where's the jam?
Is it jam or honey you would like?
Honey.
Well, the honey's up there, honey. You found the honey?
It's not funny.
Funny honey?
No.
Not funny.
How about we get them both out? In case.
I think you should have these over here away from the pan, Brandon. Beside the butter. Using the butter, the jam and the honey all together.
Yeah. I think I should flip this one.
Yeah. Oh,
It
wow. That's just how Papa likes them, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa likes them well done. We just slightly forgot about that one while we were getting everything else out.
Yeah, I get everything set
But
up.
we can save that one for Papa because he likes them.
He likes them quite brown.
Yeah.
He likes burnt stuff.
Now check the other side of it now because it doesn't take long on the other side.
Yeah, it's
That one
about ready.
perfect, and you can put that one onto the cooling rack. Take the pan over. You're flipping it over to let us see the other side of this to see how it's looking. Oh.
Yeah.
Perfect. Not bad.
Next one.
It's not perfect, but
Well,
it's slightly overdone it.
Will we just do the whole batch?
Oh yeah.
Right.
Remember, you're supposed to run it off the tip of the spoon, not the side of the spoon, into the middle, so that it gives you a perfect circle that way. You do is you let it go into the middle. That's it. And then that gives you a perfect circle. You don't run it off the side of the spoon, you run it off the tip of the spoon.
And sometimes if you don't do it properly, it'll make a little baby pancake.
Yes, if you drip a little one.
Yeah.
So the main thing is about the secret about making pancakes is getting the consistency right, isn't it? If
So
you make it too runny, then they end up more like crepes.
Yeah, and it's really thin.
Yeah,
But if you
but
make
some
it-
people like crepes.
Yeah, I like crepes, but I prefer pancakes.
But we're trying to make them like the drop pancakes, drop
Yeah.
scones, which are like a thick, nice
Thick,
spongy.
spongy, soft
Yeah,
texture.
yeah. We normally like them with jam and squishy cream on and a little strawberry on top.
But we've
don't
not
we?
got any squishy.
But we've ran out of cream because the boys used them last night for their scones.
Scott.
Well, you had some in the fish one.
It was all just runny.
Oh, right, because we're drying out, so we're going to have to remember and put it on our list for today.
Yeah.
Now, you keep an eye on this one so we don't get the same as the last time.
Get a big drink of this.
obviously, as you can see if you zoom in, there's now holes, the bubbles are popped, so this is when you know it's time to turn them. Okay, Brandon?
Yeah, I know. I've made pancakes like 15
And
times.
that one is just perfect. Look at how nice and thick and spongy it is on the side.
Yeah, try not burn my phone.
Oh, yeah, this is just how you want it, isn't it?
Just how you want.
And then you literally just lift it up now because the underside takes literally no time to cook. And then flip it over and you'll see that one is turned out perfect. The only thing we're getting is when we're lifting it out of the pan, we sometimes get a wee bit of a ridge on them. Next one.
Next pancake. And maybe in my next week or in the weekend we might do another baking video if I'm at my grand's house.
Which you tend to be most weekends.
Yeah.
Perfect. You can make large ones, small ones,
medium ones, any size that you
what
really
you want to try and do is make them all the same size. So you decide on what size and then you stick to it.
This one's... Just don't look at that one.
No, that was just a trial one. But you can always break it in half and let's have a look at it and see how it seems.
Yeah.
The first one, just use your hands, just break it and bring it round so that we can see it. And break it in two. So you can see what you're wanting is a bit of nice sponginess
in the middle.
And what we normally do is have a wee half of one each just to test the first one. But when we made the first one we decided the mixture was a bit too runny.
Yeah.
Didn't we?
Oh.
And you stop for now, you're back soon guys.